Aren't you an ass?
You're proudly holding that Indian flag. Just sum up what this World Cup win means to you.
It means
ऐक ना आता हेटर्सला म्हणा हार्दिक
very
पांड्याचं ना
emotional.
चौका तुम्ही डायरेक्ट
We've been working very hard, but
चौका
something
जर
was
म्हणून होते ना तो
clicking, and I
डिझर्व
think
केलं
today was
टीममध्ये
a day
त्याला
where
म्हणा चौका
we kind
काय
of
टाकली
fulfilled
तिने
what the
शेवटची
whole
ओव्हर
world, I mean, whole
त्याच्या
nation wanted.
जिंदगीतली
So
सगळ्यात
many
इम्पॉर्टंट
people
6 बॉल
supporting.
टाकले तिने
And I think even it's more special
मागे
for me.
2016 आठवलं
How my
बांगलादेश
6 months have
दोन
been.
दिले होते.
I've been very grateful of
Monday
not speaking a word. Things have been very unfair, but I believe that if I keep working hard, there will be a time where I will be able to shine and do what I've always I've done. And I think that sums everything up. It was a dream to win, and especially getting an opportunity like this makes it even more special.
You believed in yourself. Did you believe in the team when they needed 30 from 30? Did you still have that real belief you could do it?
We always believed we can do it. It was just about we execute our plans, stay calm, and let the pressure come to them. And I mean, credit to Jassi and the fast bowlers, the way they bowled those last 5-4 overs, change everything. And yeah, it was about time to get it.
You're cool and calm and calculated. How were you in that last over?
I mean, I knew pressure's not gonna. If I'm not gonna be calm, it's not gonna help me. So for me, it was simple that I execute my plans and make sure that every ball which I bowl, I commit 100%. So yeah, I mean, I've been in this situation. Yes, I've not won it, but for me, I've always enjoyed pressure situation. All of a sudden, my run of speed increases when the time came. So yeah, it's very enjoyed.
Final question. You gave your coach Rahul Dravid a big hug. His last day as coach. He is someone that's backed you and the team throughout.
I mean, I'm very happy for him. He's been a wonderful man. Really enjoyed working with him. To give him a fair like this, where this is how his so far coaching career ends. It's been wonderful. I've had a very good relationship with him. Kind of became friends, and very excited, very happy for him that the way they all are going, all the support staff, they've been very integral on last 3-4 years.
Big kiss from your captain as well.
पप्पी घेतली रोहित शर्माने त्याची.
Winner, well done.
It's been a great few months for you, and you've been one of the players of this tournament so far. What does this mean
जाऊ
to
दे
you?
एकच वर
It's
गेली
been
विचारायची.
for me, like when I this World Cup, in last few years I've been getting injured, not getting that performance, but this time I'm just feeling that I have to do something for India, something good for India, and finally I did it. I'm feeling so proud.
The team has been part of so many finals. So what did you do when this happened today?
I'm trying to keep it simple. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm just thinking of this is another match for me, and I'm not thinking this is the final. So that's why for me when I went for the batting,
फायनलच्या लायकीची मॅच
I
झाली.
think I'm
फायनलच्या
not thinking
लायकीची
about that if
आणि
I'm
शेवटी
not
इकडं
here, then what happens? I'm
शेवटी
just
शर्माच्या
playing
नवरा
for the
येऊन
batting
आकडा
and,
थांबला.
yeah, that's
What does this mean to Rahul Dravid and Rohit Sharma?
I think Rahul Dravid and Rohit Sharma, you can see for Rohit Sharma, he's an amazing man. I think he led Team India very good in this series and in this World Cup. I think and Rahul bhai give everything to us that you can enjoy it. You can't take pressure, enjoy and
Celebration
just
after
do your
World Cup.
best.
राहुल द्रविडला
A couple of times you've run out of the order. Were you expecting it?
No, not today. I think I thought I'm going down the order, but when we got out 3 wickets early, then suddenly Rahul bhai told me that X please pad up and yeah, I think I didn't get to think about anything about my batting, so I think that worked for me.
Thanks a lot and well done, Akshar.
Yes, thank you.
ये जज्बात आप समझ सकते हैं. ये एक दिन की मेहनत नहीं है, सालों भर का मेहनत है. 2007 में शुरुआत भारत नहीं किया था. उसके बाद पाकिस्तान, इंग्लैंड, वेस्ट इंडीज, श्रीलंका, वेस्ट इंडीज, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंग्लैंड डिफेंडिंग चैंपियन 2022 का, और 13 साल बाद एक आईसीसी ट्रॉफी वापस घर. 2024 चैंपियन दूसरी बार भारत इस T20 वर्ल्ड कप का. और वो 3 चेहरे. 1983 कपिल पाजी, MS धोनी, अब रोहित शर्मा,
चार
2024
ठिकाणी
वर्ल्ड
तिथे जावं
चैंपियन।
लागलं ना रे.
और चलते हैं प्लेयर ऑफ
फटाकडे-
द
फटाकडे बघ ना
मैच
काय
इस
फोटो
विश्व
लागले.
कप फाइनल के विराट कोहली।
विराट कोहली आला.
And can you imagine, it has just started to
player of
rain
the
here.
match.
Our player of the match, Mr. Khalid Zamil, Vice President Public Affairs Aramco, to none other than Virat Kohli. Let the emotion run, Virat. What does this mean to you?
Well, this was my last T20 World Cup, and this is exactly what we wanted to achieve. This is an amazing game. I was telling Rohit today when we went out to bat, I was like, one day you feel like you can't get a run, and then you come out and then things happen. God is great. I bow my head in gratitude. I'm just really grateful I was able to get the job done for the team on the day that it mattered the most.
It was a different Virat Kohli we saw today, the Virat Kohli we'd seen all these years. What prompted that change in you?
Well, just the occasion. It was now or never kind of a situation. I knew this is my last T20 game playing for India. It's the last World Cup that I was going to play. So I wanted to make the most of it. And this was our aim. We wanted to win an ICC tournament. We wanted to lift the cup. And as I said, it was the occasion that helped me to put my head down and just respect the situation rather than trying to force things out there and just really play the game that my team wanted me to play.
Have you just made an announcement, Virat, about T20 internationals?
Yes, I have. This was an open secret. It was not something that I was not gonna announce even if we had lost. This was going to be my last T20 World Cup playing for India. It's time for the next generation to take over. 2-year cycle. There's some amazing players playing in India, and they're gonna take the team forward in the 2020 format and do wonders as we've seen them do in the IPL. And I have no doubts that they'll keep the flag waving high and really take this team further from here now.
In 2011, you said it's time to carry someone on the shoulders because he's carried India for so long. Time to carry you on the shoulders maybe for this.
No, I don't think so. I mean, look, it's been a long wait for us. Just waiting to win an ICC tournament, and it's not just me alone. You look at someone like Rohit as well. He's played 9 T20 World Cups. This is my 6th, so he deserves it as much as anyone else in the squad. So we're just happy we were able to get the job done, and really, it's hard to explain. The emotions I felt after the game. I knew what kind of mindset I was in. I wasn't very confident in the last few games. I wasn't feeling really good out there. But when God has to bless you with something, He shows you in ways that you can't imagine. That's why I said I'm really grateful and humbled right now, and I bow my head.
Well, and Virat, the world sees you as a very tough human being. It's revealing to see this side to you today.
It's been difficult, and hence the emotions of how the game went as well, where we came back from, the kind of character the guys showed. It's really difficult to hold things back. I think it's going to sink in a little later, and the emotions are going to come to the surface a little later more, but it's just an amazing day. I couldn't be more thankful.
If it is indeed the last one, you go with your head held high as you always do. Well done, Virat Kohli.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Arshan.
What a player.
इससे बेहतर आखिरी विश्व कप का मैच नहीं हो सकता. You leave on a high, legend विराट कोहली. Player of the match, finals 2024. Champion team India. 7 रन से जीता इस मैच को. Close match. Never say die attitude. दोबारा देखा है रोहित और रोहित की टीम ने. चलिए अब बुमराह की तरफ चलते हैं. Man of the moment. Another champion.
Vice President Public Affairs Aramco will present the trophy to the incredible Jasprit Bumrah. I'm just pausing to let the sound come through, Jasprit. Did you think when you were a kid growing up in Ahmedabad that far away here in Barbados you'd be seeing these kind of emotions?
Not at all. Usually I'm the one who tries to keep my emotions in check and try to focus on the job. But today, I don't have a lot of words. The emotions are taking over. I usually don't cry after a game, but this feels really special. Midway stage we felt we were in trouble, but to pull off a win like this is an unreal feeling.
Is this the very best that you have bowled? Because I've seen cricket for a while. I've yet to see a white ball bowler bowl at this level consistently. What do you think of it?
I'm just really over the moon that, you know, my son is here, my family is here, and I could do something special for India. You know, we've been working really hard towards this, and we've come close. We just fell short last time, but we were able to go through this time. You know, there's no better feeling than that. We play the sport for this, for these days, for big stages. When you do well and you get your team through, there's no better feeling.
It's incredible that in a game that's normally dominated by batters, there's a bowler who's the player of the tournament, and right from the first game, you just look like your rhythm was right, everything was right.
Yeah, it just felt good. You know, I was trying to keep myself in a bubble because I was spending time with my family, not thinking too far ahead, staying where your feet are. All of these things are okay. Yes, we do say it, but when comes the big day, you have to do it even more. You have to do what you have been doing, not to try over because it's the final. So yeah, it just felt very good, and over the tournament, I felt very clear and calm.
Was there ever pressure on you, because you are the lead bowler? Was there ever pressure on you that your 4 overs are the key moments, and especially today when you came back for the 16th?
I don't look at it like that, because you know, whenever I'm at my peak mindset, I think of one ball at a time and one over at a time. If I think of the overall picture too early, I give on to the pressure and I try too hard sometimes. So this was what was working for me today. Yes, obviously emotions can take over and was taking over, but you had to keep yourself in check. But now the job is done, the emotions can come out and you can, you know, scream and shout.
Can I just ask you one final question on when you took the ball for the 16th over? It was 30 of 5 overs, the game was slipping out. You're standing at the top of your mark. Surely there's a thought going on that we'd love to share from you.
Yeah, it was, you know, when it was a runner ball, we did think that, you know, what is happening. So when I came, I saw the ball was a little scuffed up and a little reversible. So I thought, what is the difficult shot for the batsman? How will he, you know, get beaten or either get a wicket? So I thought leg ball was an option. The ball was reverse swinging. I was happy that I was able to keep my calm and I was able to execute.
Go and put that trophy in your cabinet and take pride of place. Well done, Jasprit Bumrah. It's been an absolute honor watching you play cricket.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Thank you.
विराट कोहली, हम कितनी बार वर्ल्ड कप से पहले और वर्ल्ड कप के बीच में बात करते आए हैं, आज वर्ल्ड कप के बाद बात कर रहे हैं, चैंपियन बन के बात कर रहे हैं। मुझे पता है आप इमोशंस को बहुत खूबसूरती से बयां करते हैं। 2011 में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट 35 की पारी थी, लेकिन आज वही कहा, बड़े खिलाड़ी बड़े रन नहीं ढूंढते, बड़ा मंच ढूंढते हैं। Just take me from the moment you walked in, just take me through the day.
To be honest, I couldn't have imagined this in my wildest dreams. Also considering how my tournament had gone so far, it's a great lesson for me. Really humbled by the game big time. Put my head down and put my ego on the side and say, you're nothing. If you feel like you are everything out there and you can do wonders, you're nothing. You really have to put your head down and respect the situation. And God showed me that if you try to get ahead of yourself, then I will pull you back and I will keep you in your spot. And today it was, I don't know, I just felt different today. I just felt like I was more anchored, more in sync with the situation, and just I was given the composure to just put aside everything that had gone on till now and really go.